Hello and welcome to our The Planter's Kitchen. Today, we're sharing a delicious recipe for banana bread that's perfect for breakfast, snack time, or even dessert. This classic recipe is a great way to use up those overripe bananas that might otherwise go to waste. Our recipe is easy to follow, and it yields a moist and flavorful loaf that's sure to please your taste buds. So, let's get started and learn how to make this delicious banana bread that's bound to become a staple in your baking repertoire. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 3 ripe bananas, mashed, 1/3 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 1. Grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan with butter or non-stick cooking spray. 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. 3. In a large bowl, cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy using an electric mixer. 4. Add the eggs, one at a time, and mix until well combined. 5. Add the mashed bananas, Greek yogurt, and vanilla extract to the wet mixture and mix until well combined. 6. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture in 2 batches, mixing until just combined after each addition. 7. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and smooth the top with a spatula. 8. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the bread comes out clean. 9. Let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then remove it from the pan and transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and serve the banana bread as desired. Enjoy! You can also add chopped nuts, chocolate chips, or dried fruit to the batter if desired.